Hi CSCI 1061, I'm Janelle Sparza, and today I'll be talking about coding formulas. Here is a grading calculator, a perfect example of formulating through Excel. Today I'll educate you on how to achieve this result. But first, what are coding formulas? Coding formulas have instruction on how programs calculate, compare, and automate certain tasks. On the right are 3 examples that I'll be talking about: simple formulas, if functions, and nested if functions. On the screen, I'm showing a simple coding formula in Excel. The formula equals the sum of A1 plus B1. Now, A1 will be in this blue box for the 230, and B1 will be in the red box for just 70. We want to figure out what both of them equal together. We're going to add both of the values in parentheses in a different cell, and don't forget to also add the sum of what you want. I'll process as I click enter and give an output. In this case, it would be 300. This is an example of an arithmetic formula. It's one of the most basic types used in coding and spreadsheets. They're really helpful, especially in apps, games, spreadsheets, and websites. They help automate calculations and decisions. I want to figure out if 80 is greater than or equal to 70. So in order to calculate that, I'm going to put in my formula, equal sign, if, start your parentheses for your formula. I want to see if A1 is greater than or equal to 70. Now, if it is, I want it to tell me that it's passing. And if not, you'll add the comma, and it'll tell me it's failing. And to make sure it's locked all into place, you'll add that last parentheses. If it's true, which it is, it will show pass. Now, if it were false, if I were to change this into 60, the formula would then change into fail, because it is no longer greater than or equal to 70. So, therefore, it will show me that it is failing instead of passing. This shows how coding formulas can make decisions automatically just based on the data alone. In this example, Excel will check if the value of A1 is greater than or equal to 90, and it will come out with an A. If not, A1 is greater than or equal to 80, it will come out as a B. And if so, initially that it's not higher than 80 or 90, it will become a C. These type of nested ifs are needed for multiple conditions, and this formula will check the conditions in order and give you the result based on that input. So for this one, 90 will turn out to be an A. Now, if I made 90 into 80, it would become a B. And it'll update